Not sure where they'll be, only for them to pop up and scare you. In this article, we'll be talking about 3 scents that you can use to naturally deter and repel spiders from your home. The first item on our list is vinegar. I've had good success using white vinegar mixed with water, about a 50 to 50% ratio. From here, you can either add this mixture to a spray bottle, or you can dip a washcloth into the mixture and wipe it. What you're looking to do is spray around your baseboards and around the perimeter of doors and windows and anywhere that you're seeing a lot of spider activity. I would be cautious using this on surfaces and materials that could be damaged by vinegar, so keep that in mind. The next item on our list is lavender. Spiders don't like the smell of lavender, so it's a good way to deter and repel spiders from your home. Lavender is slightly more difficult to implement than vinegar is. I've had good success lining the perimeter of my home with lavender plants, although this is a little more intensive and is more difficult to implement. It will keep spiders away from the perimeter of your home and prevent them from getting inside of your home. If you don't want to commit to that, you can try lavender oil, and similar to the vinegar, spray it around trouble areas, around entrances and windows of your home. You can also try placing potted lavender plants inside or in your garage, wherever you're noticing spider activity. I haven't tested this, but it is worth testing if you already have lavender plants indoors, and can be an easy solution to get rid of your spiders. The last scent on this list is citrus. Spiders don't like the smell of citrus, and there are a handful of ways of implementing this, as well as purchasing versus making your own citrus scented items. I generally use citrus oil. You can make your own or make a mixture with water and citrus fruits such as lemons and oranges, or you can purchase citrus oil or orange oil to either put in a diffuser or spray around your home. Along with this, they also make citrus wipes. A lot of these are cleaning products that have citrus scent added to it. And similar to vinegar, you can simply use these to wipe around your baseboards, around your windows and your doors, and anywhere that you've seen a lot of spider activity, to deter spiders and keep them out of your house.